Hello. Welcome to another video, and today I'm going to give you my personal blueprint in 3 steps in order to teach online in 2023. So my first question is it possible? Well, I think so. I think it's really possible, but compared to a few years ago, it's gonna be a bit difficult. It's not that easy anymore. But as I told you, as you may know, I've got experience. I've been an online teacher for a little while now, so I think it's possible, and I'm going to give you, according to my experience, what you should do if you want to succeed as a online teacher. So what would I do? Simple. Step number one. Step number one, 3 months. It's the most important step. I will go to Preply because Preply is still open. It's as you can see in the thumbnail, I put like a different link, like different logos, a different company platform for online teaching. And at the moment, only Preply it's open for sign up. So don't waste your time. Just sign up. At least sign up. Even if you don't teach yet, you don't have time or it's a project, just sign up because you may be too late, and so that's very important. Just sign up. Okay, so why sign up to Preply? There is like 4 things that you need to achieve, and if you can achieve that, you can move to step 2. That's very important. So perfect your profile. So in a general idea, if you're a beginner, I really recommend you to make a general profile. So what can you do? You probably like select 4 different profile that you like and just mix it up to make you on. You have to build your experience. That's very important. If you don't have zero experience in online teaching, so you need to become an experienced teacher, which is important. Probably give you this opportunity. So probably put your rate very low so that people cannot complain and give you a bad review. And so you're probably gonna not work for free, but almost, but at least you're gonna make experience, and in the future is going to help you to succeed, especially now with the competition. It's a lot of teacher and teacher from all around the world with a low rate, high rate. But if you want to succeed, definitely let's just build your experience. Use Preply as a tool, which is an amazing thing. Thank you, Preply. There's the third things that you need to master is like master trial lesson. Why? Because you don't get paid in Preply for trial lesson. It's free for you. You don't get any money. So if you want student that sign up for more lesson with you, you have to master the trial lesson. I don't gonna go through it. I'm gonna make way more video, or I can help you with my website. You can see the link in the description. I can help you with that. And lastly, the fourth things, very important, find your niche. What I mean by that, maybe you teach only kids, maybe you teach adults, maybe you teach communication, maybe you teach grammar. You have to find something specific that you're good at, and it's gonna be your niche. Because you say, oh, I teach Spanish. There is 1,000 of Spanish teacher. But if you say I teach business Spanish for English speaking, for English speaker, this is a good niche, because now if you English, you want to learn Spanish business, now you are the person that people are gonna go with. Okay, so you get the idea. So this is step 1, very important. Take maybe 3 to 6 months to master that. It's a business. It takes time. You cannot be, okay, I'm gonna be online teacher and next month I'm gonna make money every month. It doesn't work that way. I wish I was there. Like I will make a video about my story, but I didn't want to be an online teacher, but I tried and I just enjoyed it. So I did it. So step 2, if you have not much student, if you maybe you enjoy Preply, you say, okay, oh, my life on Preply is nice, I like it, I've got so many students, I'm happy with my pay. Okay, go for it, stay on Preply and enjoy it. But if you got experience, now there is like more website interesting, italki for example, or you have more freedom for your price, and you have a boost when you sign up to italki. For the first 3 weeks they put you on the top, so you get a lot of student, which is brilliant, and you can put the price you want. You have so much freedom, but the algorithm after those 3 weeks There is nothing basically. So if you don't have much student, definitely like consider other platform. I just check before make the video, like the italki for some languages they are open to sign up, but Verbling, Verbal Planet, Lingoda they are not. So maybe check weekly, monthly. As soon as you got experience from the step one, then you can consider maybe use other planet platform. Sorry. So please, very, very, very important. That's what I will do. As I say, it's my blueprint. If I have to start from scratch, that's what I will do now from my experience in 2023. And that's it. Step number 3. What I do. There you go. Then I will build my own website. If I have enough experience, I have a niche, and I will like do it myself, and I will build my own audience, my own base of students. As I said, to have enough students, you just have to. I did like it was a quick, blueprint. There is so much detail, so much thing that I can tell you, but in a nutshell, that's what I will do. Step 1, go to Preply, make your experience, master, try, listen, have a nice profile. Step 2, find when you got experience, good for you. You have a nice profile already, everything's ready, you're confident, you can find any other platform that you like. And when you're really confident, and if you don't want to deal with the commission or anything, then you can build your own website. That's what I will do. That's what I did in the past. But like a few years ago, I would say, okay, go to italki, but now italki is probably you cannot sign up, and Preply it's still a better place to when you're a beginner. So that's what I say. That's my specific blueprint for 2023. So I hope it helps. If you have any question, don't hesitate to put it down below. I'll be happy to help. You can check out my website if you want to. I wish you to have a beautiful day. Bye bye.